Welcome, welcome! Welding with air draw. Welcome! So, today we're gonna learn how to welding. Exciting! Let's try to cut this piece and weld it. Okay, first I try to make a straight cut. Zoop. Welcome back. So apparently I had my file repaired or whatever. My file repaired. Anyways, next. This should lock them all up. Okay. I'm gonna hit this boy right here. Bloop. Don't forget your protection. Oh, I don't know, I see them too. Okay, that doesn't look so bad there. I'm gonna keep going at that. Okay, the slag came out quick. Oh, but that's not strong at all, blood. Okay, like you see, it was going so really good. Right here was going really good, and then suddenly we just blat on the whole metal. But this is beautiful, as good as it gets. This one, okay, that is the strongest shit ever. I have no clue what happened here. And let's go again. At this point, like, how do you, I don't know if you can fix it. So yeah, I mean, I know of a way to fix it, but I don't know if it's the best way. They call it Texas style TIG welding or whatever. You break the shit off. Okay, now we got this. Texas style, okay? So what Texas style says is this. You plot this boy where you're missing it. This weld went really good and so beautiful, but this went to shit. She keeps dying on me, but I did a beautiful weld here. So my camera did get too hot, but anyways, now I come back and I show you. So I did manage to fix a bit of the hole, but not the best. And it's really unfortunate when this happens, but you can probably fix it. Now, as you can see, after I was tapping, and this looks amazing. This is it. This is the way to do it. So I'm gonna try another piece. I'm gonna cut it, and we're gonna try another piece and see how well we can go. But just for the fun, I mean, you can see this shit is strong as balls. Okay, like there's no doubt about it that we can stand on it without any problem. So good morning. So I'm back to finish the welding video to show you that I'm doing better. So yesterday I got some tips from my grandpa, and I made this weld, which is a pretty good one, to be fair. And now we're going on the other side right here, and we're gonna try to make the same again, but with video. Okay, so Really, it's really important to have the right amperage. And my grandpa said not to go from here, but to go from here, like this. So let us try. It also matters what amps you're using depending on the size of your rod. But anyways, I found that number 140 for a 2.6 millimeter works the best. So we're gonna make 2 peaks. Make 2 peaks. Okay, and now let's go. Let's do it. It's a bit too much. Let's go down to 135 or 130. 130. And it's very important to clean, and then go again. Go again. It's fine. Now let's make this area stronger. Very clean. Okay. Now let's have a look. So with the slag, it's looking very nice. Now let's clean it off. And look at that. That's barely any holes. Very nice weld right here. So after the tips I got from my grandfather, it's going much better. And now after you cleaned, we can go again to make it even stronger, you know? Like, let's do it again. And then, now I will get you close as I can. Right, just striking a match. Okay, one more clean. And do a quick clean. I wanna hit this side a little bit. Okay, I think that's really nice right now. So let's have a look at the brake. Cool. So that's pretty good. Now I'm gonna up it a little bit more. I'm gonna go back to 140 where I had the holes happen. And I'm gonna try to rework what I did here a little bit, a bit more smooth. But this is enough. This is enough. So now we're just going on testing again. Now we've made a really huge layer on top. Okay, super strong. That's it, guys. We learned how to weld. Now we got the skill in our pocket. See you in the next episode, maybe in the David project. Ah. 130 to 140. Great seeing you guys. So we learned how to weld today. Pretty well. Now it's just the experience. At least we know how to approach it now. That's the most important part. This shit is so strong. I should not even... I should try to stand on it. Boy. So guys, like you can see, I'm standing on this and I'm being fully supported. So that's pretty strong. Really strong. Okay, enough. Bye bye.